Lemonade is often seen as just a refreshing summer drink, but there is far more to this tangy beverage than meets the eye. Who knew that a simple blend of water, sugar, and lemon could deliver such powerful health benefits? Let's break down what lemonade does for your body. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, an essential nutrient for boosting your immune system. Vitamin C helps your body fight off colds and illnesses. It also plays a role in the body's production of collagen, which is crucial for healthy skin. But that's not all. Lemons contain antioxidants called flavonoids. These compounds have anti-inflammatory effects and can improve heart health. By reducing oxidative stress, flavonoids help maintain healthy blood vessels and prevent damage to cells. Drinking lemonade can also aid digestion. The acidity of lemons stimulates your digestive system. It encourages the production of bile, which helps break down food more efficiently. This can be particularly beneficial after a heavy meal. Another benefit often overlooked is its potential to improve hydration. Many people find plain water boring and therefore drink less of it. Adding a squeeze of lemon makes water more appealing and encourages you to drink more. Now, let's dive into the process of making classic lemonade. Start with fresh lemons. Roll them on your counter to loosen the juice inside. This small step makes a big difference. Cut the lemons in half and use a citrus press to extract the juice. For a typical pitcher, you'll need about 1 cup of lemon juice. Next, make a simple syrup. Combine equal parts water and sugar in a saucepan. Heat until the sugar dissolves completely. Cool the syrup before mixing it with the lemon juice. This step ensures the sugar is evenly distributed throughout your lemonade. Combine the lemon juice and simple syrup in a pitcher. Add cold water to taste. Typically, you'll want about 4 parts water to 1 part lemon juice. Stir the mixture well to ensure everything is combined. Don't forget the ice. Pour the lemonade over plenty of ice cubes. This not only chills the drink, but also slightly dilutes it, making it extra refreshing. For an added twist, consider infusing your lemonade with fresh herbs. Mint or basil work particularly well. Simply add a handful of leaves to the pitcher and let them steep. This adds a subtle yet invigorating aroma and taste. Now, let's address a common concern. Sugar in lemonade is often criticized for its calorie content, but you can easily adjust the sweetness to suit your dietary needs. Substitute part of the sugar with a natural sweetener like honey or stevia if you prefer. Remember, the key to great lemonade is balance. You want the perfect harmony of sweet and sour. The goal is to enhance the natural flavors of the lemon, not overpower them. Lemonade is more than just a thirst quencher. It's a drink that offers numerous health benefits while delighting your taste buds. The process of making it is simple, yet allows room for creativity and personal touches. So the next time you sip on a glass of lemonade, think about the vitamin C, flavonoids, and hydration it's delivering. Refreshing, delicious, and good for you. Lemonade truly is a drink for all seasons.